I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna have some fun, yeah. I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna have some fun. I don't wanna fall in love, 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 fall in love. I don't wanna fall in love. I don't wanna fall in love.
The name of the place is Kaveri Nisargadam. So my friends, I'm going to do one activity. Let's see how it's going on.
मैडम उसमें भी ले लो.
Yay! What's up guys? How are you? Today is my next day in Karnataka, in Coorg. Very special day because today I am doing one small trek. I'm coming in a devastated way. So I got a jeep and it is almost 3 kilometers. The jeep was traveling just like hell. Right now it is almost 7 o'clock. Today is a special day because today is a trekking day actually, okay? So right now I am in Mandalpatti viewpoint. Okay, so this is one of the finest viewpoint in Coorg. And why it is finest? Because I will show you why it is finest. So stay tuned. So my friends, you can see it is Mandalpatti viewpoint. And the entry timing is also given 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Over here you will have Pushpagiri Wildlife Sanctuary. You would see couple of different types of unique birds and animals. So there are a couple of stuff you need to follow, like walk on the path, carry bag litter, leave only footprints. So it's absolutely nice, huh? So this is the gate. So my friends, this is totally plastic free place, so you are not supposed to throw any plastic bags, any bottles. Please save this environment, save our wildlife. The sun is just coming, you can see.
I can't see.
So that's the top actually. So Mandalpatti viewpoint, it's itself a trek route by car, and because you have to have a jeep, you cannot carry any luxurious car to this place. So only jeep can travel over here because of the road. Road is very dangerous. Okay. So my friends, you can see the heaven from here. So guys, this is the viewpoint. You can see it's absolutely amazing. Just need to walk a little bit. Are you guessing, man?
Pretending the whole world was name.
Hey, hi guys, so you can see the beautiful view from here. It's absolutely nice. And this is Mandalpatti in Coorg, Karnataka. A jeep, because jeep is the only car who can travel through this road, and then it will come to this beautiful point. Okay, so the charges to book a jeep, it is 1500 INR, 1500 INR. Okay, so that is being charged by government. And at the time of coming to this place, there is one checkpoints kind of thing. Okay, so where you need to give 25 rupees per person. Okay, that is something which is mandatory, you need to give. With that, if you are, they are giving you bottles, they have provided only bottles, so that is charging 25 rupees. Yes guys, you come and enjoy this beautiful place. You can see the heaven from here. So guys, if you are new in this channel, please subscribe me. If you like my journey, then make a big like. And guys, stay tuned. The journey is not finished yet. Keep traveling guys, keep traveling. And
bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see.